Inflation can slowly eat away at your retirement savings, especially if you're relying on traditional investment strategies. As prices rise, the purchasing power of your savings decreases, and the stability you've worked so hard to build can start to feel less secure. But what if there was a way to protect your wealth from inflation? Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly how to offset the impact of inflation on your retirement savings. So, stay with me. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, make sure to click the first link in the description for a free guide on why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to safeguard their retirement savings. It's an incredibly valuable resource you won't want to miss. Now let's talk about how inflation impacts your savings. Whether you're relying on a 401k, IRA, or just traditional savings, inflation reduces the value of your money over time. If your investment portfolio isn't keeping up with inflation, you could be losing more than you think. Most traditional assets, like bonds or cash savings, are particularly vulnerable in times of inflation. But how do we fight this? Well, first and foremost, you need to consider diversifying into assets that tend to outpace inflation. One of the most reliable ways to do this is through gold. Gold has historically been a hedge against inflation, meaning its value tends to increase when the purchasing power of paper currency declines. This makes a gold IRA an excellent tool for offsetting inflation's impact on your retirement savings. Now you might be thinking, gold sounds great, but isn't it a bit volatile? Well, yes, gold can have fluctuations, but over the long term, it's proven to be a stable store of value. When you compare it to other asset classes, like stocks or bonds, gold often provides a better safety net during periods of economic uncertainty, including inflation. The next thing to consider is how you're currently invested. If you're solely focused on stocks or bonds, now might be a good time to think about rebalancing your portfolio. While equities can offer growth, they don't always keep up with inflation, especially in a volatile market. By adding more tangible assets like gold to your IRA, you can help shield your retirement from these market swings. But here's where it gets interesting. Gold IRAs don't just hold gold. You can diversify within your gold IRA by holding gold in different forms, like coins, bars, or ETFs. This allows you to build a portfolio that's even better suited to weather inflation and economic downturns. If you're serious about securing your wealth and you have over $100K or even $5 million in savings, a gold IRA is really something you should consider. A gold IRA allows you to protect your money from inflation without the risk of losing it all in an unpredictable market. Now, some of you may be thinking, but what about other investment options like real estate or stocks? Well, while real estate can be a great long-term investment, it's not always liquid, and it can come with hefty management costs and risks. Stocks, on the other hand, might provide returns, but they're much more vulnerable to inflationary pressures and market swings. That's why gold IRAs stand out. They're a secure, flexible, and effective way to keep your retirement savings safe from inflation's long-term erosion. If you want to explore how to set up a gold IRA for your retirement, again, check out the free guide linked in the description. Now, before we wrap up, if you're ready to make a real difference in protecting your retirement, remember that a gold IRA isn't just for small investors. It's perfect for American retirees with 100K plus in their IRA or 401k, or even those with 5M plus in savings looking to safeguard their wealth. So, if you want to stay ahead of inflation, diversify your portfolio, and protect your retirement savings from erosion, don't wait. Click the link below for your free guide to gold IRAs and learn why thousands of Americans are taking action today to secure their future. Take control of your wealth before inflation takes its toll.